Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my gold and silver analysis. I'm JR. Today is July 19th, 2017, and this is another turbo analysis for the gold and silver market. We'll also do the dollar, and we're only going to display daily charts, so this should be a 5 minute or less video. Daily chart here on gold, weekly chart and monthly charts are still bullish, in my opinion. Still bullish, though the weekly chart is neutral bullish. And so is the monthly. Neutral bullish on both. We're going to look at the daily chart. On the daily chart here, we have a series of lower highs and lower lows as a definition of a downtrend. We've broken through this level of resistance. Now this is the next level of resistance. I'm currently expecting this market to hit this level here and continue to go down. We can also see this market continue to go up a little bit higher, retesting this trend line. At that point, the market will either go up, continue to go higher, or it will come back down here. All right, maybe a little bit lower. I'm not expecting this market to go too low. Usually seasonally around this area here, you usually meaning September, October, November, you usually see the markets give you a little bit of a rally during these times. So we'll see how the market, you can see here that back in October, we rallied really nicely. So that could be the case where maybe around October, maybe around September, we see a really nice move to the upside. But again, trading within this giant triangle, and because of that, I would expect the market to at least test this bottom side of this triangle, right? Let's see the silver market. Silver market, we saw a flash crash the other day on the silver market. Uh, some people call it manipulation. Others call it a flash crash. Whatever it is, we just have to worry about our positions. The market has made a very nice attempt. There's obviously some big buyers here. When you saw the flash crash was down, the low was 1427. Came down to this area here, found some buyers, and literally this all happened within a matter of minutes. The market came down and it came right back up. I did not want to see a move below 1550. We did see a move below 1550, but we did not see a close below 1550. So that could be positive for the for silver. This is the trend line. This is the current wedge that silver is creating. We might see a move back up here to 751, break above the 17 and 3/4 number here. We should see the market do something like this, continue to go higher. If not, continue to squeeze in this wedge until we either break to the bottom or break to the top. My bet is that we're going to break to the top, and any breaks below this level here, you're going to be very, very well supported. As you can see here, this market has made lows, flat, lows, flat, lows, flat, highs, and now it looks like this is a giant flat. I would think that we're going to break to the upside. A break above this level here is going to be very, very, very positive. And I'll tell you, you break this trend line, you have to start buying. You can also say that, I mean, technically, you can also say that silver is still trading above this trend line here, right? So the market came up, came back down. So the market has been trying to make some moves to one direction or another, right? So you can see here that this was resistance all along here, became support around here, and this could be the case that this found some support in this area, and now it's just going to keep going higher. But these are the attempts for the market to go higher, above 1775, above 1875. You have yourself a really nice bull market, and at that point, it's just a matter of buying. Again, a move above 21, and now you have a multi-month bull market, and we would expect the market to continue to go up here for quite some time. That's about it. You know what? I'll show the dollar trade that we did not too long ago. This is the dollar trade. Really nice trade. Showed the market over here, and just a phenomenal move to the downside, right? This is a trade that we called short here. And look at the move, and of course you're moving your stop loss lower and lower as the market creates new lows. And as far as gold and silver is concerned, obviously the dollar, we're going to look at the dollar right now. I mean, this is just a mess here for the dollar. I expect the dollar to continue to go lower. Here's the move. You have another level of resistance. You have another level of resistance. I mean, this market could easily go like this and just continue to go down. But technically speaking, I'm expecting the dollar to test this $93 area. Below this $93 area, I mean, it's a wrap. You can probably see 91, come back to 93, and then just continue to go lower. I am expecting moves back down to the $83, $84 range here, probably within the next 6 months to maybe 6 months, maybe 8, 9 months, 10 months, maybe a year. I really highly doubt that this was a big break here, and technically what you should have seen is you should have seen something like this. That's what you should have seen. That's not what you saw. Let me clean this up. Anytime you have a big break from resistance here, what you want to see is a move to the up, down, like this, just like you saw here. Test, and then it comes up, and then it comes down, and it continues to go up. That's what you want to see. So this was a false move to the upside, very false. And now I'm expecting this lower level here to be tested. Once you break this level here, I'm telling you, it's a wrap for the US dollar. And only time can tell. So obviously with the dollar moving down, we should see the metals going up. That hasn't been the case the last couple of weeks, but I think it's just a matter of time here before the buyers come in. The metals are still looking very technically sound, so we'll continue to look through the short term to look for entries and continue to bring you these market analysis and market updates. Good luck on your trading. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.